Welcome to Mamafox Books Storytime Saturdays. I'm children's author Phoebe Fox. Today we're going to learn all about dung beetles. The book I'm going to read to you is called Steve the Dung Beetle on a Roll. This was written by Susan R. Stoltz and illustrated by Melissa Bailey. Hey, this is my poo. Go find your own. It's time to roll this poo home. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Because it's my job to help clean up the environment. That's what dung beetles do. Without us, there would be poo all over the place. Oh, I didn't know that. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? I'm going to recycle this poo and use it for something else. But first, I have to get it home. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo?
Because when I roll it underground, it makes a bed for the baby dung beetles.
Yuck.
Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? Gotta get it home quickly. I'm in a hurry. Can't stop to explain.
Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo?
When I roll it underground, it helps to control the amount of flies and other insects that bite and annoy you.
That makes me happy.
Hey, Steve, why do you roll that ball of poo upside down and backwards? Because my back legs are much stronger than my front legs. Uh-oh! Do you see where Steve is about to roll? Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? When I clean up the poo, it doesn't run into the water when it rains. That helps keep the river clean. Wow, thanks. Hey, Steve, how do you find your way home when things are in your way? I can navigate by where the sun is in the sky, so I'm never lost. That's amazing. Hot, 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 hot! Hey, Steve, why are you standing on that ball of poo? The ground is very warm. When I work so hard rolling this poo home, my feet get burning hot. When I stand on it, it cools them down. Good idea. Hey, Steve, your poo is out of control. I know, I'm trying to get it underground. Whoops! To fertilize the dirt, yikes! And help plants and trees, whoa, grow. Hey, Steve, why are you rolling that ball of poo? It's my job to help plant trees and flowers. There are seeds in this poo. When I roll it underground, those seeds begin to grow. That's a big job.
Hey, Steve, why are you standing on that ball of poo and looking at the stars?
The position of the moon and the stars help me find my way home.
That's fascinating.
Hey, Steve, this poo is so delicious. It sure is juicy. It's the best dung ball I've ever rolled home. What would we all do without you, Steve? The back of this book has some fascinating facts about dung beetles. And don't miss learning about the pangolin, the spotted hyena, the dik-dik, the African crested porcupine, and more. If you enjoyed the book, Steve the Dung Beetle on a Roll, you might also want to search for Edie Swims the Wrong Way, another book by Susan R. Stoltz, and a recent Mamafox book Storytime Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.